So welcome to 255 Southerland Terrace, unit number 203 in the Lake Claire neighborhood. This is Mary Lin Elementary. We are perfectly positioned between Decatur and Keller Park, walking distance to the MARTA train, across the street from Lake Claire Pool, and walking distance to all the shops and restaurants in Keller Park. So we're on the main living level of this property, which is really nice because in addition to its very large size, it's an end unit. So you actually have windows on 3 sides, which not only allows lots of natural light, but also makes it feel much more like a single family home. So we're in the master suite, which is really special because in addition to having nice space and great closet space, you have these beautiful Juliet balconies so you can open up the doors and get fresh air. And you have this amazing bathroom with double vanities, a giant shower with double shower heads, and a separate soaking tub. Really nice space in a townhome. So we're on the patio level on the back of the property, and what I really love about this is that you have easy access to this green space. So if you have kids or dogs and want to be able to take them out, it's super easy, and it's right off of this tandem garage space. It's actually a little extra space that could easily be finished out if you needed some additional living space.